Hey, Forever Runners. I thought today I'd talk to you about my favorite thing, and that's sprinting. Now, if you're complaining about running too slow all the time, or if you're actually doing low heart training, Maffetone kind method, and all you're doing are your low heart rate runs without any sort of speed work, you're missing the boat. So in this video, I'm going to explain how you can incorporate sprinting into your workout without getting injured or sore and having fun at the time. Hi, I'm Herb the Forever Runner. I'm a heart attack survivor, endurance runner, and running coach. So I developed the Forever Runner Method program for runners just like you, those who are in their 50s, 60s, and 70s who want to be forever fast after 50. So today, I want to talk about how to get faster in the most simplest way. Now, if you're like me and you were brought up in the old school way of training, you know, that getting fast meant going to the track and doing those god-awful intervals until you threw up, and then you'd have to spend the next day in bed because you're so beat up over the workout. And yeah, that works, but there's a much better way to do it that's better suited for us older runners that will give you the same results and only doing a workout about every 2 weeks. So here's the deal. What you want to do is pick a day when you're feeling good and find a flat, like grassy field or the inside of a track, something like that, and to do your sprint run. Now, I like these grassy fields because I like to do these barefoot. So it's like 30 degrees out here, but still, it just feels so good to do these sprints barefoot. So once you find the right spot, the workout is very simple. First of all, you need to warm up for 15 to 20 minutes. So, you know, just run 1 or 2 miles, real easy pace, just to get warmed up. And then what you'll do is just a series of short sprints. So that sprint is only going to be 10 seconds long. And what you'll do is just take off, and technically you want to be at about 80% intensity, but if you're just starting out, you know, just go as fast as you can for 10 seconds and then stop. And then you want to wait at least a minute or even 2 minutes before you do your next one. And again, you just take off, run as fast as you can, just for 10 seconds. And you want to do 4 to 6 of these at a time. And after you complete your 6, you're done. And you can just jog back home. And the great thing about this is you won't be tired or beat up after doing these short sprints, and the next day you won't be beat up and tired like you would have if you'd done a hard tempo work or interval work. And when you do this, you don't use your watch. Turn your watch off, just take off, count to 10, stop. That's all there is to it. So what you're doing with this, it's more of a awakening your neuromuscular system to understand what it's like, what it feels like to run fast. So you're just rewiring all those connections between your slow twitch muscles and your fast twitch muscles so they can support each other and help you run faster. And even though these are such short intervals, you'll get a natural boost of growth hormone and other metabolic changes in your body that will last for 12 to 24 hours. So it's such a simple thing to do, and you only need to do this about every 2 weeks. And I suggest you put it on your training calendar so you don't forget. But again, don't do the sprint workout just because it's on your calendar that day. Make sure that you feel relaxed and full of energy so that you can go do a good session. If you're stressed out that day or tired, just wait a day and do it the next day. So doing these sprint sessions is just part of one part of my 9-step Forever Runner method program. But when I see people following Maffetone training or low heart rate training, I think it's one of the most important things that they leave out. So give it a go. I mean, these things are fun. Try barefoot. You feel like you're running like a kid again, and you just do a few of these and you're done. So give it a go, and I'll see you on the next video.